Welcome and in for sale at Lloyd Land Rover in Carlisle, this Range Rover D300 Westminster Black, with an eye-catching Santorini Black exterior complementing the black exterior pack. This Range Rover Westminster also comes with matrix LED headlights as well as 22-inch gloss black alloy wheels, also featuring keyless entry and privacy glass. This Range Rover also benefits from a full service history as well as a D300 engine which boasts an impressive 295 brake horsepower. Stepping inside the Range Rover now, we're just going to take a look at the driver's seat memory function as well as the electric seat controls, Meridian sound system and electric window controls. Also featuring a sliding panoramic roof. I'm now just showcasing the steering wheel as well as the steering wheel controls, which include cruise control, lane keep assist, heated steering wheel and voice control. And then coming on up to that digital driver's display. Heading down to the centre console now, we've got the gear shift as well as the extremely responsive Touch Pro infotainment system. This infotainment system truly has so much to offer, and here I'm just going to go through some of its fantastic features, including the heated front seats, rear camera, navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and so much more. And finally, taking a look into the back of the Range Rover now, showing ample space for up to 5 passengers. Also coming fitted with rear climate control as well as ISOFIX and of course 2 rear cup holders. For any more information or a personalised video, please get in contact on 01228 599 000.